What is going on, everybody? My name is Han Solo, and today I'm coming at you guys with a little bit of Star Wars news, which you may have already heard as it's been circulating around the internet like crazy over the past 36 or so hours, and that is that the directors of the Han Solo Anthology Film have been fired and production of the movie has temporarily ceased. The directors, Phil Lord and Christopher Miller, released a statement on Tuesday saying that unfortunately, our vision and process weren't aligned with our partners on this project. We normally aren't fans of the phrase creative differences, but for once, this cliche is true. We are really proud of the amazing and world-class work of our cast and crew. There has been some theorizing regarding what exactly these creative differences are, and it seems that the general consensus is that Lord and Miller, known for directing movies like 21 Jump Street, 22 Jump Street, and the Lego Movie, may have been trying a little too hard to make this movie a comedy. I've read on a few news sites that some unnamed sources, quote-unquote, close to the film, have supported this hypothesis, saying that people need to understand that Han Solo is not a comedic personality. He's sarcastic and selfish. Allegedly, Lord and Miller often clashed with the legendary Star Wars writer Lawrence Kasdan, who had a specific vision in mind that didn't fit the comedic tone they were trying to set. When it comes to finding a new director, Ron Howard is currently favored as the replacement for the duo, but Lucasfilm hasn't released anything official about hiring him. I've got to say, and I know I'm not alone on this, I have been a little nervous about the Han Solo movie since it was first announced, and the fact that the directors were fired with only a couple weeks left of shooting definitely adds to these feelings of nervousness. That being said, reshoots at the end of this summer have been a part of their schedule since day one, similar to how Rogue One's filming was scheduled, and I feel comfortable saying that if they do have any problems with the scenes that have already been shot, they'll likely be able to fix it during these reshoots and still produce a great movie. I am curious about what you guys are thinking, so let me know in the comments down below. Do you still have faith in this movie, or did this just add to your already existing worries? Don't forget to also like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for weekly Star Wars content, and turn notifications on so you don't miss anything you might be interested in. Thank you guys so much for watching, and may the Force be with you.